Snakes, often misunderstood yet ecologically vital, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our backyard ecosystems. These remarkable reptiles serve as nature's pest control, keeping rodent and insect populations in check while contributing to a healthy environment. However, their presence near our homes can understandably cause concern. The solution lies in creating a dedicated, well-designed snake habitat that allows these creatures to thrive at a safe distance from human activity. Constructing such a habitat begins with careful location selection. The ideal spot should be situated away from high-traffic family areas like play spaces or patios, yet close enough to natural vegetation to provide adequate cover. A partially shaded area receiving sunlight for portions of the day works best, as snakes require both warm basking spots and cool retreats to regulate their body temperature. Maintaining a buffer zone of at least 20 feet between the habitat and your home ensures peaceful coexistence while minimizing unexpected encounters. The habitat's design should prioritize natural elements that replicate a snake's preferred environment. Stacked rocks and untreated logs create essential hiding places and hunting grounds, forming crevices and tunnels that offer protection from predators and harsh weather. A layer of leaf litter and organic mulch serves multiple purposes, retaining moisture, attracting insects, and providing additional cover. For species that burrow, incorporating areas of loose soil allows for natural digging behavior. A small, shallow water source completes the setup, providing hydration for the snakes while attracting amphibians that may serve as a food source. Safety remains paramount when inviting snakes into your landscape. Education plays a critical role. All household members should learn to identify local snake species and understand their behaviors. While observation can be fascinating, unnecessary handling should always be avoided. Regular monitoring of the habitat ensures it remains contained to its designated area and continues to meet the snake's needs without encroaching on human spaces. This thoughtful approach to backyard wildlife management offers numerous benefits. Beyond the obvious advantage of natural pest control, a snake habitat contributes to local biodiversity and provides unique opportunities for ecological observation and education. The carefully constructed environment allows snakes to fulfill their natural roles while giving homeowners peace of mind. By applying these principles, we can transform our yards into thriving ecosystems where humans and wildlife coexist harmoniously. The creation of such habitats represents more than just practical landscaping. It reflects a growing understanding of our interconnectedness with nature. In spaces where we deliberately make room for creatures often feared or misunderstood, we take an important step toward more compassionate and sustainable living. The backyard snake habitat stands as a testament to the possibility of balance, where human needs and wildlife preservation find common ground. In reshaping our landscapes with intention and respect, we discover that even the most feared creatures have an important place in the delicate web of life outside our doors.